Cosmetic surgeries for burns. Here we can see the skin graft, that's open wound injury and skin graft repair. So first you are seeing that purulent open wound injury. Second one, it's a graft material that is meshed then placed over, that is a debrided wound. The graft is getting placed. Coming to the thickness of skin graft. So in epidermal skin graft, the thickness usually 0.15 to 0.25 mm with papillary layer of epidermis and even some dermis. And this type of graft mainly survive but less quality. And second one is intermediate split thickness skin graft. The thickness will be 0.3 to 0.75 mm with the epidermis and 1/3 or 1/2 of the dermis. And in full thickness graft, it will be above 0.75 mm best quality. And here you can see the levels of the skin graft in epidermis, dermis and adipose tissue. And in epidermis it will be very and ultra thin, and again it's thin, and in dermis it's coming, it will be intermediate, and in between dermis and adipose it will be in full thick. Skin graft, the ways of skin grafting. First one is the whole sheet skin grafting. Second, mesh grafting. Third one is stamp grafting. So here you can see the stamp graft. So mainly this stamp graft will be looking like a post-stage stamp grafting, and it's a technique, one of the technique, mainly 2 to 3 square centimeters sized graft we will be harvesting by any available method. So mainly the stamp grafting will be useful for the person, those who are having a long ulcers, mainly a non-healing leg ulcers. Here you are seeing the mesh graft. So first picture you are seeing the graft taken from the patient's healthy skin, and the skin is meshed to cover a large wound. So mesh graft is a graft technique in a multiple pieces of skin carefully arranged. So from the healthy area we will be collecting a multiple pieces of skin, and it will be carefully arranged to cover the burnt area. And here also this mesh graft also mainly useful for a large wound. Here you are seeing the micro skin grafting by spraying. So the micro skin grafting by spraying is mainly used for the major burns. You are seeing the leg burn. Mainly we will be using the micro skin grafting by spraying. The normal solution we are using for the spraying is most of the times we will be using only normal saline. Skin flap transplantation for 4-degree burns. So the flap with the blood supply from the skin and subcutaneous tissue, and mainly it will be suitable for repairing severe skin defects with exposed blood vessels, tendons, nerves, blood vessels of the depth wound. And even the flap can repair wound with good function and appearance. Next is the plastic surgery. You can see the picture of the plastic surgery. You know this familiar person, that is the Michael Jackson. Introduction. Plastic surgery is defined as any procedure used to correct or restore either form of function to a body part. It deals with the body modification and reconstructive surgery as well as surgery for aesthetically pleasing purpose. So sometimes what is the purpose we will be doing the plastic surgery? So any defeat part, any affected part, so to reconstruct we will do, and even the part which we are having a normal function, to modify the shape or any appearance also we will be doing the plastic surgeries. The history. Body reconstruction surgery was done as early as 2000 BC by the famous Indian surgeon Sushruta. Nose and ear reconstruction were the first procedures done. Here you can see the techniques and procedure. So first is skin grafting. Skin graft is the replacement of patient skin. So the patient own skin will be taken from the healthy part and it will be replaced to the affected area. So here, if it's required after a major skin loss from a burn or major trauma or any infection. So here, this is usually, it will be also called as a plastic surgery. The name of the surgery, we will call it as skin graft. So here, what they will do, they will be plant their cut lines on the patient and close and remove sutures, or they can apply staples in a particular sequence in order to minimize the scarring. Second one, you can see the diagram, it's one of the reconstructive surgery. So here you are seeing the first diagram, the shape of the nose you can't identify. So it's a corrective surgery. It's a corrective function to correct function, but in some cases may be used to generate a more normal appearance. So mainly the reconstructive surgery will be used for in case of any tumor removal, facial reconstruction, hand repair, breast reduction and breast reconstruction after a mastectomy. These all the things will be coming under the reconstructive surgery. Next is the microsurgery. Here the microsurgery mainly the missing tissues usually by transfer of tissue from another part of the body. So this is called the microsurgery. So why it's called the microsurgery? Mainly doctors here, they will be using the microscope in order to see the mild vessels and fibers so that they can need to connect after the tissue has been transferred. Okay. So mainly with the help of the microscope only we can see the minute vessels and fibers in order to connect or reconstruct the missing tissues. That's called as microsurgery. Fourth one is the cosmetic surgery. The cosmetic surgery is mainly used for enhancement of appearance for non-medical reasons. So any lifting, chin lifting, that is, or augmentation or implant insertion. So cosmetic surgery is mainly used for nose jobs, facelift, botox, collagen injections and breast augmentation and tummy tucks. These are the most common surgeries used in the form of cosmetic. Again you can see the cosmetic surgery done for Michael Jackson to improve the appearance. And again you can see the difference, the lips. Cosmetic surgery is done in the lips. You can see the shape, size of the lips between the, you can find out the difference between the lips in the two diagrams. That is before surgery and right side is an after surgery. Then more body modification. This is also one type of cosmetic surgery and it will give some deliberate altering appearance for non-medical reason. So this will be done for any pleasing appearance or if any they are appearing in front of the screen or any drama or cinema. This all the occasion the body modification surgery will be done. Thank you.